Okay, guys. Now this is the program, the project we are working on. This is the UI of the login page. I would love to show you the live demo of this project. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do that because uh, YouTube is kind of, strict these days. If you put anything before you they delete your video. I don't know why, and so that's why I'm going to be using uh, the screenshot to be showing you what we are going to be working on. And I hope you understand it as we go along together. So this is the UI, and we're going to teach you how to create a professional UI. As you can see on my screen, this is the login screen, and you learn how to create an advanced login system with a push notification. So for example, when a user login to an application, a user gets a push notification. It might be email or in-app push notification. In this case, we are going to be implementing email push notification. So I'm going to teach you how to create this kind of a login and code it, and also implement email push notification. Okay. So this is the sign up page. So you're going to learn how to create the sign up also. Then in the sign up page, you create a professional sign up page with OTP verification system, just like every other web application you see out there. For example, like Facebook and Google. In Facebook, when you create an account, they will send you OTP to your email or to your phone number to verify, okay, if you are really human or something like that. So you have to enter those OTP, then you confirm it before you can go to the next stage. Google also do the same thing. So in this class, we are going to show you how to do such functionality in your application. You create a secured and professional sign-up page with OTP verification. So that we are going to be showing you how to do in this course. Like I said earlier before now, this course is fully loaded. Anything you need to know to build an advanced web application, we are going to teach you in this course. All right.